Good morning, guys. It's another day today. It's imagine it's 7 at 8 o'clock, and see the way the sun here starting at 6 o'clock. Sun here Europe, because we are summertime. So you see now it's very burning. The sun is very burning. Yeah, we have this greenish here. This is our compound about behind, this is behind of our house. We have this compound, this garden here, as you see here. Yeah. But you see the way it's green. I love the way it is very green. It's sunny, yes, but it's very green. Yeah, so I'm gonna take you around a little bit. Guys, can you see the way it's sun? 8 o'clock. This is 8 o'clock. But look at that. But it's so nice, so green. You know, if there is a sun and it's green, it's more beautiful. And this is the front of our garden. We're gonna work today there, fencing. We're gonna do fencing there. Yeah, so like that. So today we have a lot to do to fence our compound to prevent the pigs coming in our house. Yeah, guys, I forgot to show you yesterday. Yesterday I was working here to start my garden. You see, I have 2 rose flowers. Yeah, I have to plant more, but we don't have more time. We have to do a lot cleaning the house. You see, this is our front garden of our house. Yeah, you see our house is this. We have a lot, as you see here. Yeah, it's like that, guys. Yeah, imagine it's 9 o'clock now. Here it's Italy. Yeah, it's 9 o'clock. Here Europe, or imagine it's not only Italy, here Europe. We are summertime, guys, and it's 9 o'clock, but the light start lighting at 9 o'clock. Yeah, as you see, it's 9 o'clock, but it's look like 5 o'clock, you know. Yeah, so you see the summertime, it's so green. Everything it's out. The leaves, you know, during the winter there is no the tree lost their leaves because of the winter, but now it's all over the green. You see, we have we are waiting our fruit now coming out. Our fruit, we have a kiwi. Tomorrow I'm gonna show you the kiwi. And guys, I'm telling you, here there is a mosquito, by the way. Yeah, so the light, that is the brown house. It's for our neighbor. We have only this neighbor here, and under another one, they're very far. Yeah, I'm just taking around. So we just waiting the fruits. This is another fruit, so it's coming out. So this summer we have a lot of fruit. Yeah, so you see, guys, it's so beautiful, by the way. Yeah, this is our house, and this is our car. Okay, imagine here, hey, there is a mosquito is biting me. We have parked our car here. Yeah, see you tomorrow. We have a lot to do. We're gonna fence it tomorrow, so when we fence, I take photo. Yeah, guys, you see. Okay, sure. Guys, here I have a rose flower I planted yesterday. I'm gonna show you. And it's this one here. I have a pink and a red. This is pink, and another one here it's red, and this is normal flower. But guys, can you tell me, I am gardener, but I'm not gardener by professional. How much, what is that? Rosy flower, how much water needed for rosy flower per day? Because I don't know. I don't know very well. Please, could you tell me in comment section to understand how much water rosy flower needed every morning, or there is the limit of water for rose flower, because I don't know very well. Please help me in the comment section. I am gardener, but not by profession, okay? You see guys, this is olive oil. This tree, it's olive oil. Olive oil is a very good what is that, oil for cooking. It's a very good, we have it here in my home. This tree, you see the way it's flowering a lot. So this olive oil, we are normally here, I don't know, there's another side of Europe. Here Europe, we are using most olive oil because it's the best. Yeah, so yeah, I have this olive oil here. You want me to show you? You see this tree of olive oil, you see the way it's flowering. So a lot of flower, you see this, so we're gonna harvest olive oil. Of course here, the olive oil we are using cooking, and this one we can use even for, we eat like, I don't know what kind of, the fruits, we can eat like fruits. Yeah guys, good morning guys. Look at the weather today. Can you imagine? 2 days it was sun, full sun. Today the weather is like this. It's raining today. We cannot do nothing. We have a lot to do in our garden, but today I'm telling you, we can do nothing. We just wait a little bit.